If you've ever double-clicked a PDF and it keeps opening in Adobe instead of Chrome, this quick tutorial is going to fix that for you in just a minute. In this video, I'll show you how to open PDF files in Chrome instead of Adobe, so you can view them right inside your browser without needing an extra app. This is super helpful if you want a faster way to preview files, avoid switching between programs, or just prefer Chrome as your default PDF viewer. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, go up to the address bar at the top of the browser. Now type this exactly: chrome://settings/content/PDF documents. Make sure you enter it carefully, because this will take you directly to the PDF settings page inside Chrome. After you type it in, press Enter on your keyboard. This will open a Chrome setting specifically for PDF documents. On this page, look for the option that controls how PDFs are handled. You should see a setting that lets you choose whether PDFs open in Chrome or download automatically. What you want to do is select the option that says Open PDFs in Chrome. Once that setting is turned on, Chrome will start opening PDF files directly in the browser instead of sending them to Adobe. If you already had PDFs downloading or opening in another program before, this change should fix it right away for future files. After that, you can test it by opening any PDF link or file in Chrome to make sure it displays properly. And that's it. Now you know how to open PDF in Chrome, not Adobe, using a built-in Chrome setting. It's fast, easy, and doesn't require installing anything new. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.